If you look good, you feel good. If you feel good, you perform good. Today in this video, we are going to talk about how to look good and how to take care of your personal appearance. Personal appearance is a very important part of body language, right? If you don't appear good, you don't perform good. Hello, my name is Zainab Bohra. I am a public speaking and creative writing expert in India's #1 platform. I am going to come up with the videos of public speaking, creative writing, personality development and confidence building. To learn and master the skills, do subscribe to my channel, share and like. Thank you. Now let us first start with what is personal appearance. First thing, personal appearance is a non-verbal communication. Personal appearance is the outward appearance of any person with regards to how they look with their hair, the way they dress, the way they wear accessories, the way they take care of their body, okay, the way they maintain their body, the way they maintain neatness and cleanness. This all things comes into personal appearance. Now it is done that what is personal appearance. Let's move to the next part. Why personal appearance is important. Your personal appearance makes a strong statement about your personalities, about your values, your interests, your abilities, your attitude, your roles and your goals. So you cannot afford to be seen unproductive, disrespectful and irresponsible. Hence, you should and you have to take care of your personal appearance. Clear? Now, let's see the power of personal appearance. First, understand the impact of your personal appearance. It communicates first to you and then to others. What you wear, how you look affects the way you think, the way you feel, the way you act or behave, and then the way others react and respond. Now let us see what is the importance of personal appearance in individual success. So it serves as a powerful tool to build trust, establishing rapport and making a first great impression. Clear? Now let's move to the very important part, how to take care of your personal appearance. So here I have simple 5 steps that will help you to take care of your personal appearance. The very first one is dress appropriately. You know, clothes makes you, right? So dress properly. Keep your dress neat and clean. Dress according to the occasion. Look at your body type and dress according to it. Okay. Now the second thing is body language. Action speaks louder than the words, right? So be mindful about your body language because people are watching you. Make a great first impression by a great body language. Now what things to mind about body language? The very first thing is make facial expressions. Give genuine smile. Second, make a proper eye contact. When you are talking, make a eye contact. Third, use your hand gestures. Never fold them like this. Never put them straight. Use your hand gesture. Next, voice modulation. Very important part. Use voice modulation. I have videos on voice modulation, facial expressions, body language and everything. You can go and check it out. And the last is take care of your confidence. Be confident. No matter what it is, you have to be confident, right? Things includes in body language. Now the third thing is facial expression. Facial expression is really very important. Face is the center part of body, right? So facial expression is really important and your expression says it all. So control when required. If you meet new people, give them a genuine smile. Avoid giving a fake smile. The fourth point is work on your daily routine. It is not going to happen in one day. it will happen slowly. You have to work on it every day. So it's a basic small things that you have to take care of. The first thing is healthy. Second, plenty of water, exercise, take a proper sleep, your hair, take shower, breathe fresh, use fragrance, wear proper accessories, need clothes, take your feet, take care of your hands. So basically it is about taking care of you. It is about making it a daily routine, right? This is very important. If you start from today and if you work on every small thing and every single thing, your appearance will be definitely good. Now the last thing is tip to toe. It means from up to bottom. You have to take care of every single thing. Let's start with the head. Okay, first thing about your hairs, keep your hairs clean, neat and tidy. Make a hairstyle according to the occasion and according to the functions, right? Cut your hairs, trim your hairs, wash your hair. Going forward with your eyes, make a proper eye contact. Stop using your phone when you are talking, right? Do not look here and there. Make a proper eye contact, a very important part. Moving forward to your mouth, give a genuine smile, right? Then have a good word, speak a good words, okay? Avoid giving fake smiles. Moving forward with your clothes, wear appropriate clothes, wear neat and clean clothes, okay? Moving forward to your hands, cut your nails, trim your nails, use hand gesture, give a firm handshake and that's all. Moving forward about your feet, which is again the very neglected part but important part. Wear proper shoes, okay? Take care of your feet. Do not put your legs in the closed way. Do not close your body language, keep them open, okay? That's all. So that was all about personal appearance and I hope you learned something and the video is useful to you. So do like my video, share and subscribe. I'm going to come up with videos like this and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care till then. Bye bye.